Hi there, this is Fekry, co-founder and head of product at ScieNFT. Today I'm going to show you how to publish your work on ScieNFT in less than a few minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and publish one of the articles that I previously published on Medium on ScieNFT, putting it on the blockchain as an immutable record. Once you log into ScieNFT and have your account, this is where you're going to land, and you can go ahead and click on Publish, and that's your submission page. Let's start to fill in this data and go ahead with minting our NFT. So first I'm going to put my title. And the second field is summary. And the beautiful thing about the summary field on ScieNFT that it's a rich text. So it's not only for paragraphs. You can add some sort of styling like headings and lists and quotes and even code blocks if you want, and of course images. So I can just go ahead to Medium and copy all the content on the page, paste it here. Here you have it, all of it, and having the same styles that it had originally from wherever you copied that text. Then I'm going to add my cover image. Now we have it. And I'm going to scroll down all the way to get to the type of my publication. And in this case, it's an article. And this is a files component where you can put PDFs, CSV files, doc files, whatever you want to attach to your NFT publication. In most cases currently on ScieNFT, I find that scientists are putting their presentations, they're putting their data sets, their original files of the research. So it's a very handy way to share whatever resources you want to share along with this NFT. And in this creators field, you can list all the creators and the co-creators of your work. And the way to do it is basically adding their email. Even if they're not a ScieNFT users, they'll be invited to join this work through an email that will be sent to them. And in this case, I am the beneficiary of this work, so I'm just going to keep myself there as a beneficiary. Otherwise, you can change that and have your institution be the beneficiary, or another creator or an investor, whoever is the beneficiary that you want to assign for that work. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on Preview. And this is a preview of how my publication is going to look like once it's published on the blockchain. And you have a few options here that you can do with this state. You can go ahead and mint your NFT, meaning that you publish it on the blockchain. You can go back to continue editing. You can even copy a public link and share it with your peers for review or to have a look at it before you get it published. You can transfer that draft to someone else, or you can delete the draft. So I'm going to go ahead and mint. And here's my NFT. It's now published and I can share it on my social media. I can copy the link with my friends. They can even contribute to a conversation around your NFT if you scroll all the way down. And they can copy the citation text and start another NFT citing your own work. And that's all it takes to publish on ScieNFT in less than 5 minutes.